How to sell cryptocurrency on ZebPay. If you'd like to sell your cryptocurrency on ZebPay, it is very simple for us to do so. Now what we have to do for this is we have to go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the application. So go ahead and then launch the ZebPay app, and this is the interface that you should be able to see right there. Then once you go ahead and then basically see this, you can select the crypto you wish to sell. So let's say you have a Bitcoin, you wish to sell it. Once you select Bitcoin, you can see the sell option there. So when you tap on sell, enter the amount that you wish to sell. If you have, let's say 0.1 BTC, go ahead and then make sure to enter that. Then once done, you can tap the get started button, follow up with the network and instructions, and you'll have successfully sold your Bitcoin on your ZebPay. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.